Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to add a border in Google Docs. So step 1, open the Google Doc you want to add a border to. If you are using Google Chrome, type doc.new in the new address bar to create a blank Google Doc in a snap. Step 2, click the Insert tab in the toolbar and the top of the page to open a drop-down menu. Hover over the table option and a grid will appear the right. That's where we set the dimension of our table. Click the first box in the upper left corner to create a 1 by 1 table. Step 3, this 1 by 1 table will effectively work as a page long border, but first we need to make it fit to all four corners of the page. Click inside the table and hit enter on your keyboard repeatedly until the table extends to the bottom of your page. Step 4, hit the Format tab in the toolbar at the top of the page and hover over table. Click on table properties. From there you can tweak the cell's thickness and color or increase the padding to add a buffer of space around your border. Step 5, click insert in the toolbar and hover over triangle option. Select plus to create a triangle. Step 6, click the shape icon and select which shape you like your page border to be. Step 7, to draw your shape, click the and drag your cursor within the checked area using the drawing toolbar. You can further customize the look of your border. Don't forget to click the fill icon and select transparent. Step 8, when you're happy with the look of your new border, click the save and choose options. You can then adjust its proportions in the document itself, either by clicking and moving the shapes anchor points or clicking the shape itself and selecting the edit option, which will take you back to the drawing menu. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.